Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping in. I have both of my Walmart beauty boxes. They arrived the same day. That never happens late anymore. These boxes are Walmart beauty boxes. They're generally samples. I have one box that says Beauty Box Summer 2022, Summer V5. And then this says the same thing, except this says V12. So I know they do have variations. It's basically a free box. You do pay $7 plus tax to have it shipped to you. There's 4 seasons, 4 boxes. You get 5 items, you know, mainly samples. Sometimes you get a full-size product. I'd leave a link down below for you to sign up. So this is what it looks like. Nice little tissue. Here's the one box, and you get a card. It says Summer Glow Up, little booklet, I mean. And these are the possibilities that you could get, and they always put this question mark now because you could get different products. You might not get what's on here. I like this box because we usually get these, and this is Liquid IV. This is Pina Colada. These, you get full size. You get 6 in a box. They're $9, so don't discount these. These are good to keep on hand, especially if you're not feeling well. It's a hydration multiplier. It helps with electrolytes, so definitely don't discount that. Here from Arm & Hammer, oh, this, I have a toothpaste. Complete Care, full size is $3.47. This is a sample, 0.9 ounces. I love having backups like that. Good travel. This is a nice product to use from Cetaphil. And this is daily oil free face. Oh no, this is not what they're telling me. Okay, so that says moisturizer. So don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. So this is the Gentle Skin Cleanser from Cetaphil. Once again, great travel size. Great way to try it to see if you like it. That is very nice. What else do I have here? From Neutrogena, are you on here? Face Serum. This is a sample. Invisible Daily Defense Face Serum SPF 60 plus. Full size is $12.97. Obviously, that is a sample. That's nice. What are you? From Hello, are you on here? Let me see. No. Oh, yes, you are. Hello, moisturizing. No, is this not? Yes. This is Sweet Mint with coconut oil. This is a SPF lip balm. Oh, that's really good. You should include SPF for your lips too. And lipsticks don't generally have it, so that's what it looks like. And it's just a clear, you know, probably a clear balm. Mint with coconut. I don't really smell that, but that's kind of good. Choose friendly. Happy to have that this season. And then the last thing is a foil pack from new Suave Pink. Oh, let's turn it this way. And this is shampoo and conditioner. This is volumizing. Full size is $4.98 each, like for the shampoo and conditioner. And I can usually get 2 washes, you know, and conditions out of this. I usually split it in half, and that's fine because my hair is not super long. But I don't generally use Suave, but I'll give this a try. Why not? It never hurts. I think this one was a good box. I'm happy to have that. So that's box number 1. That was V12. So this box, which is V5, let's see which is the better box. Okay. Oh, there's different products on this one. This is still Summer Glow Up, but the inside has different products. So I still see the Cetaphil Skin Cleanser, but it's not on the card. We have a product from Invie-bobble. This is, are these like little, you get 3 of them. No metal right here. These just look like, I don't want to open them up, more like a barrette. That's what that was called. We have another Liquid IV here in Pina Colada. They always seem to include them, which is fine by me. Here we have Completely Bare. Don't grow there, body moisturizer and hair inhibitor. Okay, with shea butter and natural plant extracts that help reduce hair regrowth. Okay, that's interesting. Here, what is this? Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion for your face. That'd be like a good 1 or 2 time use down at the beach. That's not, I'm not angry at that. What is this? Go Gray. Embrace your gray. Well, I don't want to embrace my gray. Go Gray Purple Toning Mask. I cannot use that. I do have gray in my hair. I also have natural blonde highlights that's where the gray is sort of grabbing onto. I'm going to take care of that on Tuesday. I don't know when you're going to see this. I think later in the week, so this past Tuesday. For you, this is Sunday for me. I'm getting my hair cut because it's grown a lot since I got it cut. And getting my hair highlighted for the summer. So this I cannot use. But that's not bad either. I mean, if I think about it, oh, everything's going to hit the floor today. I think the other box was better for me personally. But still happy to have this. Technically free. You're just paying the shipping and handling. So that is the Walmart Beauty Box for summer 2022. Do you get these? Sign up for them if you don't. You can just click on the link I provide in my description box. It's just a click and go link to make your life easier. And it'll take you right there. Sign up for it. And you might still be able to get the summer boxes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.